Nice and juicy curry cow foot, y'all. Look how tender it is. Slide right through. Look how soft. That's how your cow foot's supposed to be looking. Y'all, if you're new over here, I am Plummy, and let me show you how I made this curry cow foot, y'all. Alright, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Now look at that. Let's jump right into it. Now right after this, y'all, I am going to put my cow feet into my crock pot, and you can definitely go ahead and use your pressure cooker, but I'm using my crock pot. Now we wasn't feeling for rice today. We wanted some boiled food, so I went ahead and I made some boiled yam with some boiled banana. Guys, listen, as usual, from my kitchen straight on your table. Hope you guys enjoy this curry cowfoot. Try it, man. I tell you, it's nice. Okay, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. It's your girl Plummy over here. Bye for now.